Okay, ma'am. So, day 3 last sets of exercises natin. 3 exercises na tayo dito, Miss Lilac. So, first, mountain climbers tayo. We're gonna be needing a timer. 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Tapos, leg kickback extensions. And then, para sa glutes natin. Yung first workout natin, mountain climber, para sa core natin. And then, a bit of cardio kicker. Tapos, next, kneeling, leg kickbacks. Tapos, yan, para sa glutes, hamstrings. And then, last one, hammer curls tayo. Active recovery. So, pakita natin. Mountain climbers tayo. So, plank position. Alright? Target natin dito, kunyari, right knee papunta sa left elbow. Across. Okay? And then, left knee papunta sa right elbow. Ito po. Hold natin yung position. Up. Up, up, tapos hindi magsasag yung hips natin. Keep it up. Okay, hands under shoulders. Alright, timer natin for 30 seconds. Tuck in yung core. Alright. So, tuloy-tuloy po yan. 30 seconds, walang counting na gagamitin for repetitions. And then after that, hinga tayong konti. Tapos, switch tayo sa donkey kick yung tawag ng iba dito, pero yeah, leg extensions. Up and back. So, extend and back. So, gagawin natin to for 20 reps or 10 each side, tapos 20 repetitions pa. So, tabletop yung likod. Ayan, tabletop. Hands, shoulders, extend. Kabila. Switch. 3, 4, 5. So, pataas yung paa and babalik. So, quick, slow. Quick up and slow. So, right after that, kunin natin yung dumbbells natin. Again, light dumbbells. Ito naman po, hammer curl. So, focus on the forearm naman natin. Strengthening pa rin natin. Kasi sabi nila, some studies says that, grip strength is equals to, more grip strength is equals to longevity. So, mas mahaba daw yung buhay. So, workout natin yan. So, up and down. Siyempre, biceps kasama pa rin siya. Up and down. Same position. And then, dito lang po. It's just parallel yung kamay. Alright? Nakapataas si dumbbell. Shoulders back, chest out. Up and down. Alright? So, for this one po, 15 repetitions tayo, Miss Lilac. And then, sa sets na yun, 4 sets lang tayo. Ayun yung pinakamababang sets natin. 3 for the first 2 weeks. First week. Sana first week lang. And then, succeeding 4 sets na tayo. So, yun po.